Chief Meteorologist Tom Coomes here to talk about the end of winter 2026. And if you watched our main event, the Winter Knockout, our forecast that aired in November, it performed pretty well. We were forecasting for winter, December, January, and February. Yeah, the boxing match may have gotten started before the bell with some big snow in November. In fact, we had almost record snowfall in November. That led into a very cold start to December. But overall, our narrative and the fight performed as predicted. Winter showed up and winter won the fight. Ding, we got that one right. Probably the biggest part we were off about was, December started colder and snowier. We thought initially that it'd come on more gradually, and that kind of flip-flopped as we had all our snow to start December, and then we warmed up through Christmas and was pretty mild through mid-January, and then it really just started snowing, and we had just haymakers of snow and cold through the end of January, one of the snowiest Januaries on record. But we forecasted 60 inches of snow, 4 nights below zero in near normal temperatures. And we observed 64 inches of snow, 5 nights below zero, and we're not quite finished because we're actually going to end February rather mild. So the number will be somewhere near normal. It will be a degree or less below normal, which is still within a normal range, but it's on the cooler side. And the coldest and snowiest winter we've had since 2018. And that was a message that was in our initial forecast, that we had the setup to be the coldest winter in almost a decade. When you break down the numbers again by month, November really brought it. November and January really were what really pumped up the totals. But the fact that December we had snowfall. We've had many recent Decembers that were nearly snowless. And February had snow as well. And we've had fairly recent Februaries where spring just starts early. Spring did not start early. Winter started roughly on time, but we still had some days in the 60s in winter. Our seasonal snow total at over 90 inches of snow, also the snowiest since 2018, and fairly significant. And we could still add to that, although it looks wet as we start the month of March. Overall, good performance on the forecast for winter 2026.